is lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a full face of Shop Miss A makeup. I will leave my haul either down below or in the cards if you guys want to see it. I also am going to be including some of the things that I already own from them. Whew, I'm out of breath. So if you guys are interested in seeing what kind of look I come up with, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to use the E127 blending brush, and I'm going to start off with the shade right here. This one. Put that in my crease. Ooh, she's pigmented. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this burnt orange color right here. What? My makeup. Okay, I don't know, I'm not really feeling that one. I'm gonna go in with this one actually. Just right over it a little bit to deepen up now that that shade is so freaking dark. Okay, next, I think I'm just gonna go in with this pink shade right here, and I'm going to blend in between that dark orange and light orange. And this is the E129 blending brush. Now I also think I'm gonna put a yellow as well. Still having a bad day. I'm gonna take the yellow on the E125 angled blending brush. Ooh, she's chalky, pretty. Ooh, too much. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Honestly, I don't fucking like how it looks. I'm not feeling it. And I've tried to do it twice, and it's whatever. I'm gonna be going in with the Amuse Cosmetics Love for Quad, and I'm going to take the gold shade right here, and I'm gonna use a E131 brush. Okay. It looks pretty pigmented, but I'm actually going to spray it with the A+ setting spray. Okay, I'm going to spray my brush. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, $1 eyeshadow. I've noticed though I have to build it, and you definitely need to spray your brush. Yeah. I'm just having a bad day. I'm not going to keep messing with it. It is what it is. We're just going to go ahead with the face. As of now, I'm just going to tell you guys straight up, I don't like the eyeshadow palette. I wanted to like it, but sadly I just don't. I'm going to have to try it out again a couple more times to see if I am interested in even keeping it at this point. Okay, I am next going to do my eyelashes. I have a mascara primer from them. I have a Go Brow gel from them as well. But I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild brow pencil for my brows, and then for my mascara I'm going to be using the Essence Lashes of the Day Volume Mascara. So I'm just going to do that off camera. Okay, I also have the eyelashes on. I used the Cara Beauty S4 black ones. I don't really like, they're bothering my inner corner pretty bad, but the outer corner is fine. But yeah, I don't like the... Okay, onto the face. Okay, I'm going to prime using the primer spray. It just says long lasting, and yeah. Okay, this is what it looks like. Ignore my cuticles. I had my nails done today, and my cuticles didn't want that, so they got bleeding. They got pretty busted. It actually feels pretty good. Smells pretty good as well. So, okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go in the shade 304 Sand. I'm just gonna put some down, and I'm gonna be using the sponge. The shade kind of is a little bit too dark, but that's fine. I will use concealer. It is light to medium right here, light to medium coverage. It covered some of my acne, but my redness right here is peeking out. So I'm going to add another layer. Okay, foundation is done. It still has a little bit of redness coming through, and that is after 2 layers. So I'm just going to go in with concealer. I do have 4 shades of the AOA Studio Natural Finish concealer. However, the first shade, Nude, is actually darker than it is in the tube. So, and I think this one would be too light, which is Fair Ivory. So I'm going to open Buff, because, actually no, I'm going to open Sand. Well, I'm going to open them all, probably. Oh. That looks really light on camera, but... Okay, to set my face down, I have 2 powders here. I have the LA Colors in the shade Nude, and I also have the AOA Studio in the shade Nude also. These are both nude. So I'm just gonna, because I'm not opening this, I'm just gonna use this one. And I'm going to use my sponge. Oh, that's great. I just stuck my nail right in there. Oops. That's too dark. Let's see if the LA Colors one is lighter. This one looks lighter, so we're gonna go in with this one. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Banana Powder by AOA Studio. And I'm going to use this part. Okay, so to bring some color back to this face, I am gonna use the AOA Studio Perfect pressed powder in the shade Almond. Hopefully this is dark enough to bronze with.
Yes, it's green.
Hey babe. Okay, gonna use a light hand. Okay, the skin, it kind of got some color from that. It's like barely dark enough. It's just dark enough to where it puts a little tint. So yeah, on to blush. And for blush, I picked up the Malibu Glitz in the shade Amber Star. Okay, I just went ahead and did my lower lashes. The only thing that I decided to do was to run this dark purple and a little bit of this one down there. Everything's looking fine except like right here. It's really separating. It might just be my skin. But other than that, everything else is okay. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be going in with the Amuse Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Truffle. It looks like this. And then to top it, I'm going to go in with the AOA Studio Lip Pop lip gloss in the shade City Girl. Okay, and the very last thing I'm going to do is highlight, and this is the Amuse Cosmetics Galaxy Highlighting Palette. Let's see. I think I'm going to go in with Pixis right here. It's more pink chrome. The others are like green and purple, and those don't really look good on me. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to set it all in place. Alright, so this is how the makeup turned out. Honestly, I don't hate it. There is a certain look to it that I do like. There's a few things that I don't really like. For one, I don't like how it's like separating right here underneath my eye. I also don't like how the highlighter kind of emphasizes my texture on my face. And the eyelashes are a little bit irritable on the inner corners of my eyes, but honestly, I like how it turned out. It's not the worst, but it's definitely, what is that? Definitely not the best. There's a few mistakes on this eye more than the other, but honestly, for $1 makeup, what can you really do? I like how it turned out, so yeah. Alright, so that is what I created. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and like always, I love you guys.